Meaning of geographical.
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 Geographical. The term geographical relates to the study of Earth's physical features, such as mountains, oceans, and landforms. It also encompasses the examination of how humans interact with and modify these natural features through activities like agriculture, urbanization, and transportation. Geographical analysis can be used to understand how societies are organized and how they respond to environmental changes over time. The field of geography also includes the study of phenomena like climate change, weather patterns, and natural disasters. In summary, geography is a multidisciplinary field that explores the various aspects of the Earth and its inhabitants.